In this video, we are just going to practically experiment and see how a while loop works in Python. So on the screen, this is the basic syntax of while loop. So while is a keyword, and following that we will be having the condition, following that we will be having a colon. So this is the syntax of while loop, and inside the while loop we will be writing the sequence of code that you want to execute for a predefined number of time. So unlike for loop, this also serves the same purpose, but except that you can use this while loop for executing a block of code or a single line of code in Python for a predefined number of time. You don't want to give a list or string or anything for iterating through in this while loop, but you can just manipulate this particular condition for executing a sequence of code for a predefined number of time. Let's experiment with this particular while loop. I am just going to write a simple loop, and as soon as I type in while, you can see it is highlighted in green, which means this is a keyword and you cannot use this particular keyword for assigning it to a variable name in your Python code. And following that, I am just going to write down my condition. Let's say I'm just going to write like var less than 5, and inside that I'm just going to print hello world string, and after the hello world string I'm just going to self increment the variable value var to be 1 time. So here the variable value will be incremented by 1 time, and before entering the loop I'm just going to define and initialize the var variable value with the value 0. So here var variable is defined and it is initialized to have the value 0, and as soon as this condition is checked, var less than 5, it is 0 initially, so this is true and it enters the loop. And as soon as it enters the loop, it will print the string hello world to the output screen, and after printing the incrementing happens, that is the var value will be incremented by 1. Now it becomes 1, and it again checks for the condition 1 less than 5, and it becomes true. Again it is printing the string and it is incrementing, it becomes 2, and 2 less than 5 is checked and it is true. So again the printing happens and var value is incremented to 3. Again it is checked 3 less than 5, it is true, the printing happens and it is incremented to 4. Let's say now it is incremented to 5. Var value is having the value 5. Again the condition is checked and it becomes false. So this while loop is skipped and it goes to the next consequent line. And in our case we do not have the next consequent line, so the program ends here. Now when I try to execute this particular piece of code, you can see the hello world is printed for 5 times. That's it. So this is how a basic while loop works. So please understand this, and also you can print the var value also. You can see when I try to print the var value, it is printing each time the var value. Each time the loop runs, it is printing the var variable value. Var is equal to 0 for the first time, 1 for the second time, 2 for the third time, 3 for the fourth time, and 4 for the fifth time. And when it becomes 5, the loop is skipped. That's it. And also you can write a else block for this while loop. You can see the while loop is running until the var value 4, and after that the else part is executed once. So when it is skipped, when this condition is false, the else block is executed. It has printed the string that we have written inside the else block. So just understand that you can use this else part as if you are using in an if block for this while loop also. And that's all I want you to know about while loops in Python in this particular video. I hope you learned something new in this video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.